In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's check out the dry run of this code. So I have two linked list L1, L2, both are sorted. So L1 is not pointing to null, L2 is also not pointing to null, so that is covered. I will create one dummy node, so that is my new node. Okay, so I will create when this dummy node value 0 and pointing to null. Okay, and I will create one temp variable here. So I will create one temp variable and this is my dummy node. Okay, now if L1.val or L2.val which is less, so 1 is less, L1.val is less. So what I will do, I will connect temp.next equals to L1. So basically I will connect temp.next equals to L1 and I will move my L pointer. So I will simply move my L pointer, L1 will move to here. Okay, once I connected if condition, I will come to this condition, temp will be temp.next. So my temp pointer will also be point to this one. Let me just decrease the size of it and it will also point to this one. Okay, now again, I'm not creating again, I am giving you a real how this is like how we are using the same list. So because we have already explained about how we are creating one new node, like basically with new node, but here I will tell you by this one. So now again, while L1 is not null, yes, L2 is not null. So L1 val is less than L2 val. So what is the value? That L1, that is 3, L2. L2 is less. So what I will do here, okay, I will break this connection, temp.next, I will break this connection and temp.next equals to L2. So I will connect this with like L2. Okay. Once I connected with L2, L2 will be L2.next. So L2 will move here. Okay. And temp will be temp.next. So my temp will move from here to here. Okay. Again, now I will check L1 is not null, L2 is not null. Yes, which is less, both are equal. So temp.next equals to L1. So temp.next, like this one, will be equals to L1. So I will connect this one with the L1. Once I connected, L1 will be L1.next. So L1 will move here, L1.next. And temp will be temp.next. So temp will move here. Okay. Now once I done this, okay, again I will check L1 value and L2 value which is less. So L2 value is less. So what I will do, I will break this. Okay. And I will connect this by this. Okay. And once I connected this L2 will be moving nearward. L2 will be L2.next. So it will move here. Okay, and my temp will also move, temp will be temp.next. So temp will move here, temp.next, this is next. Okay, once I done this, again I will check L1 and L2 which is less, L2 is less. So that is already connected, so we don't need to do anything. Okay, temp, what I will do, simply say temp.next equals to L2. So temp.next equals to L2, that is already there. L2 will be L2.next. So L2 will be moved to L2 and temp will be temp.next. So temp will be moved to, sorry, temp will be moved to here. So now again I am in while loop. L1 is not null, L2 is not null, which is less. L2 is less, right? So temp.next equals to L2, that is already there. L2 will be L2.next, so L2 will move forward. And after this else condition, temp will also move forward. So temp will be temp.next. Again, L1 is not null, L2 is not null, which is less. L1 is less now. So temp.next equals to L1. So I will break this connection. Okay. And I will say temp.next equals to L1. Okay. Once I done this, L1 will be moved to L1.next. So I will move this L1. So I will move this L1 to L1.next. Okay. And temp will be temp.next. So temp will also be moved. So temp will here, right? Temp.next. This is the next. Again, I will check L1 is not null, L2 is also not null. So which is less? L1 dot value is less. So temp will be temp dot next equals to L1. That is already there. So L1 will move to the next. L1 will be L1 dot next here, and temp will be temp dot next. Temp will be moved here. Okay. Once I done this, so then what I will do, I will check is L1 is null or L2 is null. Here now L1 is null. Okay, L1 not equals to null, that's a false condition. Okay, so this will break. I will come here. Is your L1 is null? No. So if it is not null, that means L2 is filled. So what I will do, I will simply say temp.next equals to L2. I will simply join this one, temp.next equals to L2. and that's it. That's the rest of the case. Okay, and in the last I will return dummy dot next. I will return this one. So if I simply add this all these things, how this will be look like. So we have one node 0 that is connected with 1. Okay, then that 1 is connected with 2, then 2 then this connected with 3, then 3 this then connected with 3, and then this 3 is connected to this one, and then this 4 is connected, and then 4 is connected to 5. Okay, let me put in a series. 4 is connected to 5, and then 5 is connected to 7, 7 is connected to 8, like this 8, and then we have connected to 9 and null. Okay, so let me add all these value. So we have 1 0. Okay, that is connected to 1 first. Okay, that is connected to 2, then that is connected to 3, then 3 is connected to this 3, and 3 this 3 is connected to this 3, and this is connected to 4, and this is connected to this 5, this is connected to 7, this is connected to 7 to 8, and then this is connected to 9, this is connected to null, and you are returning dummy dot next. So this is your dummy dot next, right? So this will be your complete linked list sorted, and this is how you can solve this problem. So that's a brilliant problem because we are using sorted concept here. Okay, we don't need to do sort again. So time complexity remains big of n only, and space complexity we are not taking any extra space, it will be big of 1. So time and space both are efficient here. This is the best approach.